Today I'm going to talk about how to find profitable products to affiliate market. And I have a PDF that I created. I did a lot of research on this one, and I'm going to share that PDF with you guys. My name is Michael Feyrer Jr., and this is Video Content Marketing. Let's get right to it. Now this video is going to be about this list right here. I'm going to jump into the computer. Now here I am in the computer, and we're going to talk a lot about this list that I created here. You can download this from the link below. You can see right away we have a list of the most profitable affiliate marketing niches. Profitable niches for Facebook ads and your Facebook page. And you've got survival and vegan and diet fads, law of attraction, six-pack abs. Who doesn't want that? The stock market, getting loans, gadget reviews, web hosting, and these are all prime targets for Facebook ads and that sort of stuff. Acne, hair loss, hair care, all that kind of stuff, hair removal. These are all active for that. Now you're going to notice down here we've got profitable niches for Facebook groups and credit repair, meditation, diet fads, vegan, fitness, bodybuilding, yoga. So let me show you a little bit about how you research this, or how you know. What you're going to want to do is figure out what you're interested in, what you like to do, what you have knowledge in, and you're going to pick one of these. Let's say that might be yoga. And of course, this is the Facebook group list. Let's go into Facebook groups and see what sort of Facebook groups there are for yoga. And we'll just put some yoga in here. And we'll click on groups. And here you go, 144,000 members, more than 10 posts a day. You've got, let's see here, 15,000 members, more than 8 posts a day. 314,000 members with 10 plus posts a day. 29,000 members with 10 posts a day. I mean, these groups are ripe for finding products that can help these folks do yoga. So if you are into yoga or you like to do yoga, you could theoretically sell mats and balls and all kinds of other tools. You know, you could sell yoga pants or yoga outfits or anything like that to the folks in these groups. They're already ready-made for you. I haven't really looked too much into this. I'm not personally into yoga, so I don't even know if these folks have these groups monetized. But I can tell you right now that it's not that difficult to grow a group like this with sizes like this when you're working in a niche that is that is something that people are searching for, like yoga and things like that. So you can use the groups that already exist to build your group and to build your audience. And I'm going to talk about that in later videos. Let's see what yoga holds on YouTube here. Let's just take a quick look. And let's go to yoga. No, not toga. It might be something slightly different. Yoga. And here we go. We got yoga with Adrian. Look at that. 4 million subscribers. Let's take a look and see how Adrian monetizes her channel. Now let's see here. You can see Yoga with Adrian has merchandise on the channel. She's selling shirts. She's got Nourishing and Revitalizing, another YouTube video. Not a whole heck of a lot. Become a yoga member. So she has a 7-day free trial. And obviously she gives live yoga courses or something like that. Get your free yoga calendar. All of these things probably drop somebody into a funnel where she can sell shirts or courses or anything like that that you can learn more about yoga. This particular person has learned how to monetize their yoga channel and obviously has more than enough subscribers to do that. But it's not like you can't do the same thing. If you are into yoga, you can start your own channel. It wouldn't take very long. There really is an untapped niche here. Let's see, most of this stuff is Yoga with Adrian. Let's see what Flight Master Yoga's got going on here. And this is a small channel right here, but you can see they have set up some shirts as well. And we've got yoga course for free. Join the community. So there's a Patreon, of course. You can subscribe for yoga videos. So this person has also realized how to monetize it. Now you're going to find that when you're doing research on some of the different niches, depending upon what niche you find fascinating or what niche you're knowledgeable in, these folks aren't digital marketers. These folks are generally not in the affiliate marketing categories, which means that generally speaking, they don't know how to monetize these channels, and definitely most people don't understand how to monetize their Facebook either. Of course, I'm going to show you guys how to do that in this series. Now, I did all the research on these topics that are in this PDF on Google Trends and Google Search and all that sort of stuff to make sure there's traffic and also products and affiliate products for each of these markets. So these are pretty safe. If you have an interest in any of the ones in this niche, you can easily make some money off of the things I'm going to teach you in this course. So I know all of these niches can be easily monetized, you know, six-pack abs, and you're going to notice that a lot of these are the same from one to another. You got woodworking, arts and crafts supplies. Here down in the profitable YouTube niches, you're going to notice a lot of them are the same. Nutrition, vegan, very, very big. Yoga, like what we already looked at. Beginner meditation. Crypto and Bitcoin is another big one. Shopify, web hosting, golf, another really good one. If you're into golf, you can easily create a business around golf products, golf affiliate links. Now, in this video, it would be too long if I got into how to bring traffic and how to market your affiliate products through here. But let's just say that any one of the topics on this PDF list would be great for you to have a good base to start with a Facebook group and a YouTube channel. And you can completely dominate a market like this with affiliate marketing or your own products if you decide to put those out eventually in a very short period of time. And of course, I'm going to show you how to find products for your affiliate marketing in the next video. But I hope this helped you out. I hope you enjoy the PDF list. Go ahead and find some things on this PDF list that you think you might want to find affiliate products for and market. So in the next video, you're going to get all the information that you need on finding affiliate products that you can market to the niches I've laid out right here in this PDF. It's going to be awesome. I'll see you there.